Hi guys, I hope you're fine first. Here we are very fine. Yesterday we got this really shit weather. No, it was not shit. I mean, it was very romantic to see it from outside, but not at all when you're driving a business, because we didn't get any customers yesterday. I mean, we got maybe 10. Usually we get like 10 times more the day before the Easter, before the Friday. So very bad for business, very hard to work. Everything was a challenge to go from a room to another room. We have kind of two kitchens, one inside the house and one other that I'm going to show you little later when the weather is better, outside, that I built 2-3 years ago. And we had to go from one to the other one to put things in the oven, and that was very challenging every time. But except that, everything's fine. Today might be the biggest day of the year. I usually freak out, but not today. Maybe I will freak out later, but actually I don't do it right now. And so we're gonna serve a buffet. We call it brunch. It's not exactly a brunch. A brunch is between breakfast and lunch. Our buffet, our lunch is more like proper lunch, and people take as much as they want. So today we're gonna have lamb, we're gonna have salmon, we're gonna have some lasagne without meat, so everybody can eat that. I'm gonna make some gratins. We have very nice bread. We made brioche yesterday, amazing brioche, really amazing. Dinkelbrød, also, you know, this bread we bake often here. What else? We baked pretty much. So the challenge today will be to settle well we have two challenges today. First is to settle the brunch or buffet properly, to not have problem with that. This is still challenging. I still think we are not 100% good, but we're gonna be good soon. And the next challenge is to from 3 o'clock we're gonna serve galettes, the pancakes we have, food pancakes, and that will be tricky. I know it, because we do very good. We have experience, but the galette still take time to make. I mean, you can count 5 minutes per galette, because we need to do it on the stove, and the problem is at 3 o'clock we might get something like between 20 and 40 orders of galettes. I have 2 stoves, so it's always a little annoying when you have to run, and I know this is tricky part, but we're gonna manage. I'm gonna show you later how it looks like. So I'm just back from the shopping. I'm a little tired of the shopping because I do it, 5 times a week, and during the summer it's also very bad. I really need to improve that part, because when I do shopping I'm not at the kitchen, and I think it's a little waste of time. But anyway, I was a little down now. I was thinking that, wow, so much work today and shopping and less things, but look at this weather here. That's a really great weather, which means we might get a lot of people today. So I hope I still have some energy to talk to you later, but it will be interesting to see how we manage Easter this year. Hi again, so it's 9 o'clock. I wanted to film a little bit during the day, but it was just impossible. We had too much to do. So as I said this morning, it was a huge day, and it was a huge day from like 11:30, 12 until 4 o'clock. That's it, 4 hours to get the spank. But I think we managed super well. It was a little hard sometimes, but we did well. So I'm very happy for that. So I wanted to talk more and to analyze a little bit more, but I'm too tired for that. So I think I will do that analyze a little bit later, like next week, like we're gonna close from Tuesday until Friday, Saturday. So then I'm gonna rest a bit and think about how everything went for us. And I'm gonna tell you, because that can be very interesting if you want to open this kind of business, to hear a bit about what I'm gonna say. So now I'm gonna sleep. I'm very tired. Tomorrow is a long day again. I'm thinking that tomorrow can be actually a bigger day than today. Usually it's not. Usually it's the Friday. So the first day, first big day is the biggest. So, but because of the weather, I think a lot of people were a little scared to drive. I drove this morning and it was a little hard sometimes. So maybe people will come tomorrow instead. No, but we are very ready, and everybody got the rhythm, because it's always hard. The first date, first big day, that everybody understand what's going on. I told them yesterday, but I think they thought I was exaggerating, but I wasn't. Anyway, so yeah, I'm upstairs. I'm gonna sleep. You can see how it is in my place. This is a thing I got to warm the food. I don't think I'm gonna install this weekend. Here you have the carton, the box. There you have small cookies. There you have some paper I need to fix. I just live with the coffee place everywhere. When I'm downstairs, it's coffee place. When I'm upstairs, it's still coffee place. Yeah, sometimes, like I said, it can be a little annoying, but it's okay. We do like that. Okay, I will try to film a little bit more tomorrow, and see you.